Next is realization of all gates by using NAND gate. So this is the implementation of NOT gate using NAND gate. Here pin number 1, 2 are short circuited and make it as a single input, and the output will be A complement. Input will be A and output will be A complement. This is the truth table. And how to connect these circuit on the breadboard. So this is IC 7400, nothing but NAND gate, and here pin number 1 and 2 are short circuited and I'm making it as a single input like this. This is single input. I'm short circuiting these two terminals and I'm taking it as a single input like this. And third is your output, and we need to give VCC to the 14th pin and 7 to the ground. So I'm giving power supply, 14th pin is VCC and 7th is ground. Okay, and output is at third terminal, and I'm connecting a LED like this. Anode is connected to other end of resistor, cathode is grounded. Okay, then this is input, right? A. I'm connecting it to 0. So what is the output for NOT gate? So for applying 0, it will generate 1 as output. Switch on the power supply. So the LED will glows. I'm giving 0 as input. Okay, and then I'm giving 1 as input. 1 as input. Switch on the power supply. Output will be 0. So by using this NAND gate, I am implementing NOT gate. So it verifying the truth table of NOT gate. That's all. Okay. For example, I am connecting this circuit. So how to connect it on breadboard? See, here pin number 1 and 2 are short circuited. Pin number 1 and 2 are short circuited, and pin number 4, 5 are shorted. Pin number 4 and 5 are shorted. So this one is A input and this one is B input. So I'm making it as A input and this is B input. Okay, these two are inputs, A, B. And the outputs are 3 and 6. These two are connected to third gate inputs, 9, 10. Okay, this is the output of first gate and this is the output of second gate. These two outputs are connected to third gate inputs. So this is pin number 9 and pin number 10. Okay, and 8th is output. So we need to give power supply, and ground, and take the output at 8th pin. This is how the circuit is connected, and these two are inputs. for giving inputs, we need to connect 0 and 0. Okay, these two are inputs are 0, 0. Switch on the power supply and LED will not glow. So this is the implementation of OR gate, right? For the input 0, 0, output will be 0. For example, inputs are 0, 1, output will be 1. Inputs are 0, 1. I'm changing it to 0, 1, output will be 1. And for 1, 1, for 1, 1, it is 1. Okay, that's all. This is the truth table verification of OR gate using NAND gate.